Yall, it's your girl Apollonia Cross, and I've got some happy mail in from Notiq and I'm super excited about. So let's go ahead and open it, because although this was basically my Christmas present to myself, I'm opening it before Christmas because I can't wait, and that's okay. So if you guys are ready to open this box with me, then stay tuned. All right, you guys, so let's go ahead and get this bad boy open. Now, this I got during the Black Friday sale, Black Friday weekend, and this is not, that's what I get for trying to use my kids' scissors versus some actual scissors. But let's see if it opens it. Yep, there it goes, works just fine. I'm so excited because there's a couple things in here that I wanted for my 2022 planner lineup, because I wanted to switch out some things. And there's also a couple of other things that I wanted just to kind of elevate my entire office supply. So love this. I got the packaging slip. I got quite a bit of stuff. So let's go ahead and see everything that's in here. And so, yeah, I always love, like, if you guys have ordered anything from Notiq, you guys already know the packaging is everything. And then for the holidays, ooh, an extra special gift. This is awesome. One thing that I love is for the holidays too, normally, like, she kind of normally has always done this, like when she when VJ first started Notiq, was handwriting a note, a thank you note. But this one, I love it. So Christmassy, and it says Merry Christmas, so I love it. It says, "Dear Lady Apollonia, thank you so much for being such a gracious friend to Notiq. Your loyalty and support means so much to me. May the new year bring you so much love, joy, and success. You are so important to me. Warmly, VJ, founder." I always love getting these little cards from her. Always love getting these cards from her. And I might just go ahead and put that on my desk. But it looks like she also included a notepad, which is awesome because I actually really love using these. And I'm almost sure this is like her own personal drawing of herself. Super chic, like chic and cute. So excited to be including this in my planner somehow. Like, I don't even know, but I'm so ready. All right, so now let's get to the good stuff. Let's skip to the good part. All my bubble wrap in here. Yay! Yay. This is like literally, one thing that I really love about Notiq's packaging is like literally opening up a Christmas present. Like, I mean, looking, whether you buy something during Christmas or not, it's literally opening up a present for yourself. Like, it's just a pretty gift. Yeah, all this bubble wrap. All right, let me move all this out the way. Okay. All right, so a couple things that I ordered. So first things first, I wanted to get these cash envelopes for my travel planner, and Notiq has these ones here, which I'll show you guys more in detail later, but let me go ahead and just take everything out. So these are the cash envelopes from Notiq, and because they are discbound cut, most of the ones that I normally see like on Amazon, these are very rare, but normally the ones that I see, they're more for ring bound planners, and I'm a disc girl. So happy that they came out with these, and they fit dollar bills exactly, and they are plastic, so they're pretty durable versus like with paper cash envelopes. Like, eventually you have to replace them a lot faster, so I'm excited to get to use these. And let's see. Okay, all right, and some other accessories. I got a Croc mini dashboard for my mini travel planner. I got some side tabs, two clear side tabs to go with my mini. And then I also got these monthly inserts, and I've never used planner inserts from Notiq, but I wanted a very classy and sleek planner for a minimalist, professional kind of a look, because as you guys know, if you watch any of my other planner videos, I love stickering my planner for fun, but I'm finding more that because I have such a busy lifestyle as a mom of 4, I am leaning more towards a minimalist type of a planner setup. So excited for this. And now the good stuff. Like, that stuff was already good, but like, here's the great stuff. So let's go. Yeah, let's get into it. So I got 2 big things that I'm so excited for. All right, let me move the box because I gotta open this stuff up nicely. All right, so 2 very big things that I wanted. Okay, this one. So excited. Okay. Okay. Oh my God. Okay. So I'm so excited for this. Now this is the mini. Oh, okay. Let me just take this in. This is the mini Black Lizard zipper planner cover. Oh my God, I'm in love with it. Like, I love black croc, right? So I was a little apprehensive about doing the Black Lizard, but I really love the black with the gold. And the black croc in the zipper like this is just black on black, which is fine, but I love the combination of black and gold. So I was like, let me go ahead and go with this lizard skin and let me just try it out. And I love that it's a zipper too, because I use my travel planner as a wallet, but I wanted to switch some things up instead of having the snap to go with the zipper to see how I like it. And I'm just loving the whole black gold. I'm loving this tassel. So let's open this up. Oh my God, I can't wait to. Oh, what? I don't remember if I ordered the, what? And it has a note. Did I order it with the note planner? I didn't even remember. I did get it with the notebook. Oh, okay. I didn't remember if I ordered it with the notebook or not, but yes. Okay. I'm so happy. Okay. Obviously, if you can't tell, I'm super happy. But so this comes with a notebook too. You can do it with just the planner cover, or you can also get it with the notebook inside, and I opted for the notebook. Totally forgot, but hey, sometimes when you forget things, it's just a great like surprise at the end of it. So adding all to the happy. So this is the Notiq notebook, and it's just notes. And for me, I am a note brain dumper taker, journaler. I write, and that's just me. So having an extra mini notebook, and I'm so happy that it also has these clear too, because I can always repurpose this and just use it for a different planner, or just to use this as a protective plate piece for my additional planner cover if I wanted to include one. But it just fits in so nicely in here. Just so happy. And so this includes pockets here. There's 1, 2, 3 pocket sleeves. And let me see these notepads. Let me see how this notepad fits in to this. So this is a little bit wide, but I could go ahead and put it, let's see if it fits this way. No, it doesn't. So it's a little, it looks like it would fit, but it would just, I'd have to kind of stretch it out a little bit, and I don't really want to do that just yet. But this notepad, I can go ahead and slide right here, and it's still, oh yeah, that works out. And so I could have just like a simple to do, and this can just be for notes. And then in the back there is, you might be able to tell, oh yeah, this is a pocket. Okay, so this is like a pocket right here, and then there is business card pockets, or if you're like me and you use your planner as a wallet, you can put all of your debit cards and all of that in here, and then you can have your notebook or your planner right here, and then just have it all ready to go. So excited! Oh my God. Okay, so this actually, I'm not sure how big the disc will fit in here, so it'll be interesting because I actually use right now in my caramel Notiq travel planner cover. I use the expander discs, and this one looks like it's pretty thin. I'll have to play around with it when I go to set up my planner, but I think I will only be able, the max disc I'd be able to use is the regular standard, but this notebook is set up with the mini, so we'll see. I will play with my planner setup for 2022 and then see how this works, but I'm so, oh my god, so excited. Oh, so excited. And it's just so, like, you can legit, this just looks like a clutch. Like, even when if I wear this, like, just, man, okay. I can't wait to start pairing this thing with some outfits, y'all. I can't wait. So excited. And I'm actually, let me add this too. I'm actually really excited that I almost went with the demi size, which is for half letter A5, because I wanted to include, I was debating if I was going to switch my faith planner and Bible into a zipper one, so that way I can carry it with me to church. But this, personally, honestly, this is already pretty big enough. So I can only imagine how much bigger the half letter would be for the zipper. And for me, it would have been a little bit too big to be toting around on a personal note for me. But I will play around with some other things and then we'll see how this goes. But this would even just be great if I wanted this just to be my faith planner or faith journal, so that way I can carry this with me into church, and it's still small enough and it's zipper, so it would still work out really, really good for that if I wanted to use it just for that. So yay, so excited. That's going back in pretty dust bag. Now this, I have been wanting this for, like, since it came out, but I was trying to be good, trying to stay in a budget, and then obviously your girl caught a sale and was so happy. But this is the clutch for your computer, for your laptop, or I don't have a laptop, I have a Surface Pro. And so I wanted a cover because it doesn't have a, I don't have a cover for my Surface Pro at all, nor do I have like a sleeve for it to go in or a case. I just kind of put it in my purse. In my purse, because for my work purse, it does have like a, like, you know, Velcro little sleeve, but it, like, my Surface Pro is still just like unprotected. So I wanted something really elegant and nice to carry it. And oh my god, I'm already getting excited. I see the peak of that black croc, y'all. Yes. Ah, yes. See, the black croc with this gold, y'all, is, oh, I'm so excited. Yes, this is what I want. Oh my god, yes. This is a whole, man, this is a purse in itself. Like, if I wanted it to just be a purse, this could totally be like a side clutch. Okay, so let me move this to the side so you guys can just fully see it all. So, okay, this is the front of the clutch, okay? And it has a snap pocket like this with all the gold accessory. And then you just slide it in here. Pretty big space. You could probably fit a notebook and your computer in here. And in the back part, there is a pocket here. So if you want to put like some extra notes, paper, or another journal or something in there, you could. But I love this. Let me grab my Surface Pro so we can see how it would fit in this. Alright, so I have my black Surface Pro, and there's, oh yeah, there's a plenty of space. This is the 13-inch. This is just, I forgot how big my Surface Pro is, but it is, I want to say it's the 13-inch, and this is a 15-inch clutch, and it slides in very, very easily. And this does not have, I don't have the keyboard cover for this. That's something else that I'm wanting to get, but it still just slides in really, really nice. And there's plenty of room versus it being really stuffed in here. So even when I do add my keyboard to this, it'll fit in very, very nicely and super, super, oh yes. And I could just carry it very, very, very elegantly and nice as like a purse. So if I was going into a meeting and I wanted a simple setup and just had like a notepad or something that I wanted to do this, as well as my Surface Pro with a computer, I would be completely set to work at like Starbucks or something. If I'm trying to work on a project or something, it would just work so nicely. Oh my god, I'm so happy. Yes, so in love with this. It does kind of suck that I don't technically go out a whole lot, but I am happy that now though that my Surface Pro has a case, because I can just slide my Surface Pro in here versus leave it out on my desk like I normally do. But I can slide it in here and then put this in my drawer, and so that way it's protected and my girls won't try to mess with it. Like if this is out, then I like you're in trouble. But yeah, I'm so excited for this. So we've got this right here. Now let me pull out the lizard case. We've got this, and even though this is the black the lizard material, and this is vegan leather, and so is this one, even though this is black lizard, it still looks really sexy together. Like I wish this was the black croc with the gold, but I'm not gonna be ridiculously picky. Like this is still like everything, carrying it all together. Like this is awesome. So I've got this with the notebook, and then I'll be able to add my cash envelopes and everything in here. So I've got those, and also my inserts and my dashboard. So I am just about ready to go. I'm so excited, and I cannot wait to go ahead and get this completely all set up for 2022. I'm still in debates on how exactly I'm going to have my planner set up. I've been brain dumping and kind of figuring some things out on on what exactly I want to include in it, but I can't wait. I'm so excited and so happy. If you guys are interested in getting any of the items that you see here, I'll make sure to post all the links in the description below, so that way you guys can get them, and make sure that you guys use my discount code so that way you guys can save you 10%. And right now they are still having an amazing sale on all of their items, just about. So highly recommend, if you're still got any last minute Christmas shopping that you want to do, or if you are still shopping for your 2022 planner, definitely highly recommend that you go to Notiq and go ahead and buy your items there, so that way you can get everything together. Like you can still legit, like this comes with a notebook, but you can actually get a 2022 planner and additional inserts and all of that along with your cover if you so choose. But highly recommend taking advantage of the sale, as well as also it should also work with my discount code. I'm not 1000% sure, but I'm almost like sure it will. So, but still, make sure you guys go to the description to get the link and the code, so that way you guys can go ahead and get your shopping on. All right, so I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Thanks for unboxing with me, and look out for the next video that is going to be the setup of my 2022 mini catch-all planner. All right, so you guys have a great day, and I'll talk to you guys later. Bye.